Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing some of the coolest inventions that will shock you. Innovation is one of the key drivers of progress in all industries, and it's only natural that some of these inventions are truly revolutionary. From groundbreaking medical equipment to revolutionary consumer products, these inventions have the potential to change the way we do things and revolutionize our lives. In this video, we'll be exploring some of the most insanely cool inventions out there that will shock you. From gadgets that are changing the way we interact with our environment to machines that completely redefine the way we use technology, these inventions are sure to make you question the limits of innovation and inspire you to think outside the box. Stay tuned as we explore these incredible inventions that are shaking up the world. AirBolt Smart Luggage Lock. The AirBolt Smart Luggage Lock is one of the most impressive inventions we've seen in recent years. This innovative device is a Bluetooth-enabled travel lock that can be opened and secured with a single tap of your smartphone. The AirBolt also comes with a built-in tracking system, which will alert you if your luggage is moved from its original location. Additionally, it has a built-in USB port for charging devices, making it the perfect security companion for travelers. LIX3 Doctor Printing Pen. The LIX3 Doctor Printing Pen is an insanely cool invention that will shock you. This innovative device is the first 3D printing pen to hit the market, and it is an incredibly useful tool for any creative person. It works by melting and cooling colored plastic, allowing you to draw in 3 dimensions. With the LIX3 Doctor Printing Pen, you can create complex shapes and designs with ease. Plus, it is incredibly lightweight and portable, making it ideal for on-the-go use. Water Walker Floating Treadmill. The Water Walker Floating Treadmill is an ingeniously designed invention that is sure to shock. This unique treadmill consists of a platform that supports the user while they are in water, allowing them to exercise without ever having to step foot on the ground. The platform is buoyant, with the user's body weight providing the necessary downward force to keep the treadmill in place. Thanks to the Water Walker, you can now enjoy the benefits of a treadmill while also taking advantage of the calming effects of the water. Somnox Sleep Robot. If you're struggling to get a good night's sleep, the Somnox Sleep Robot is definitely worth a try. This robot is designed to help you relax and fall asleep faster. It includes a variety of features such as deep breathing synchronization, guided meditation, and a heart rate monitoring system that helps you drift off into a peaceful sleep. It also has a built-in speaker for playing your favorite music or audiobooks, so you can relax and unwind. With its combination of technology, meditation, and music, the Somnox Sleep Robot is sure to be a great choice for anyone looking for a better sleep. Nura Headphones. If you're an audiophile, you'll want to check out the Nura Headphones. They're the world's first headphones that automatically adapt to your hearing. They can identify how you hear and tailor the sound to your own personalized hearing profile. This ensures you get the best possible sound quality, no matter how you hear. With the Nura Headphones, you'll never have to worry about missing out on hidden details in your audio again. Qoobo Robotic Cattail Pillow. The Qoobo Robotic Cattail Pillow is an adorable invention that is sure to shock and delight. This robotic cushion is designed to look and act like a real cat, complete with a realistic, fluffy tail that moves and wriggles when it is touched. The pillow comes with several different modes designed to mimic the feelings of contentment and pleasure that cats display when they're happy. From purring to wagging, the Qoobo Robotic Cattail Pillow provides an incredibly realistic experience and is sure to put a smile on any pet lover's face. Mogees Vibration Sensor. Number 7 on our list of insanely cool inventions will shock you. Mogees Vibration Sensor. This small device can turn virtually any object into a musical instrument. It comes with a microphone and contact sensor that you attach to any surface, like a book or a table. When you tap the surface, the sensor picks up the vibrations and translates them into sound. It's a great way to explore music and creativity in a totally new way. Nod Ring Gesture Control Device. The Nod Ring is an incredibly cool and futuristic gadget. This gesture control device is worn on the finger and can be used to give commands to your device. It has multiple sensors that detect and recognize hand signals, allowing you to control your laptop, TV, phone and other electronic devices with a simple gesture of your finger. The ring is also equipped with powerful haptic feedback, vibrating to indicate when you've successfully completed a gesture. It's a great way to make your life simpler and easier, and it's sure to shock and impress your friends. Finally, whether you're looking for an eco-friendly way to travel, a way to make your home smarter, or just something cool and fun to do, you can find it. With innovation and technology always on the rise, the future of inventions seems limitless. It's exciting to think of what the world will come up with next, and hopefully, it will be both cooler and more sustainable than ever before. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our future videos.